All right, so today we're taking a look at this organic grass-fed ghee from Golden Monkey. And if you've never used organic ghee before, it's essentially gonna be a clarified butter. So you are able to use this just like a butter. So if you've got toast, if you've got any type of food that you would put butter on, you can go ahead and replace it with ghee, which is gonna be a lot cleaner ingredients. And it's just gonna have less of the bad stuff that butter would have. Now, I really like this one because it is USDA organic. It's gonna be non-GMO, it's gonna be gluten-free, it's gonna be lactose free. But one of the surprising things about this ghee is that it's actually gonna have a high heat point. So you are able to use this in things like sautés or anything where you're gonna be cooking in a pan. I always cook my breakfast with this, I cook eggs with this, and it's nice because it's not gonna be burning and it's not gonna cause any type of carcinogens as you cook. And yes, this is also gonna be keto and paleo friendly as well. So just to give you a look of what it actually looks like, it is kind of like a butter consistency, and it's really just gonna change depending on the temperature. So I'll go ahead and pull a piece out here so you can kind of see what it actually looks like. And it really is almost like a butter consistency. Now this is just sitting in our pantry over there, and if it starts to get a little bit too watery or just a little bit too loose, you can go ahead and throw it in the refrigerator for just a little while. But regardless of if you keep it in the refrigerator or in your cabinet, you are able to eat it at any of those consistencies, whether it be soft or a hardened material. Now, as far as the taste goes, it does taste a little bit different than your traditional butter. What I would say is it's almost kind of like a butter that you would taste on popcorn. So it has a little bit of a sweeter taste to it. It kind of depends on what flavor profile you specifically like. And honestly, it's not too much different from a traditional butter. So it's not like you're going from one flavor all the way over the spectrum to a completely different flavor. It just does have a little bit different of a taste than butter does. And now to give you a little bit about the nutrition facts here, 1 tablespoon is gonna be at about 112 calories. That's gonna be 12 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein, 0 sodium, a little bit of cholesterol, 35 milligrams, but for the majority, it's mostly just going to be fat. So just based off those nutrition facts, if you're trying to be a little bit more healthy, maybe a little bit lower on the calories, this is a good substitute for regular butter. Now, I'm also somebody who has a sensitive stomach, so anything that is lactose, anything that is a milk, and sometimes with butter, I'm usually only able to eat a little bit, but since switching to this organic ghee, I am able to go full spread. I can go ahead and take my sourdough and put a nice healthy, chunky serving on top and not get a stomach ache. So that is another big benefit of this. Again, this is really gonna be dependent on you specifically. I can't guarantee that this is gonna, fix the problem of a butter stomach ache, but I would say cooking with this is a lot better than a traditional butter. Even just spreading it on toast, putting it in my stir fry, using it to cook eggs, pretty much anywhere that you would traditionally use an oil or a butter, I think this is gonna be a great replacement, and it's definitely worth giving a try if you do tend to get a stomachache from certain oils and butters. Now, another use case that I've seen this used for is gonna be for morning coffees. And yes, that is more so for people who are on like a ketogenic diet and they're trying to get some MCT oil and some butter into their coffee. A lot of people will use this organic ghee for those warm coffee drinks in the morning. I myself haven't tried this specifically, but I have tried butter in the coffee in the morning and I really do like it. So if you are somebody who uses butter in your coffee in the morning and maybe you do want to replace it out, maybe you just feel like it's giving you a bit of a stomach ache, or you just want to go with something a little bit more natural and healthy, then this is a good option for that as well. Now, I've tried a couple of other different ghee brands, but this one I like the best, mainly because of the taste and the consistency. When I'm leaving this at a room temperature, you can see it is not a liquid, it is a solid. It's kind of like a butter, but I would say that it's probably just a little bit softer than a butter that you would have in the refrigerator. And yeah, I feel like this is a really nice consistency, especially when utilizing it on English muffins, on toast, on any types of bread. Using it as a spread is one of my favorites, and also cooking eggs with it in the morning. So again, if you're looking for a replacement to butter, something that is just a little healthier and maybe a little bit easier on the stomach, then I would definitely recommend giving this one a try by Golden Monkey.